Hi guys, it's Richard here, and I just thought I'd say hello today and to tell you that I'm putting together, I'm here in the studio and I'm putting together some footage of the restoration of the Wild Atlantic bus. I know a lot of you had asked me about how I did it and the various aspects to do with the bus. So I took a lot of photographs, not so much video footage, but I took a lot of photographs of the restoration of the bus at each different stage of it. And I thought what I'd do is I'd put together, a little video and possibly every week, 4 or 5 minutes long, just giving you the concept behind what I did with the bus and how I restored it and why I even bought it. And actually, maybe I'll do that now. Why I bought it was I left a very nice 5-bedroom house that I finally was able to afford years back. And I moved to a little cottage in Oughterard, County Galway. And I came from a place this big to a little cottage this size with 2 bedrooms and thought, okay, I need extra space. And planning obviously being a problem, I thought, what could I... And then the brain had a moment and I thought, I'll buy a double-decker bus and I'll restore that bus. And that'll give me more accommodation. And when my family and my friends and people want to come and stay, they can all stay aboard the bus. Of course, that took a totally different slant because the bus is now a staycation. And I've had people that have come all around the world to the bus, from all around the world to the bus, and have absolutely enjoyed what it has to offer. The bus started its life ferrying people all around London City and finally came to a guy called Gary, where I bought the bus. Gary operates a school bus service for children in Dublin, and he put the bus up for sale and he thought it'll either sell, and if it doesn't, it's going to be scrapped. Well, guys, I saved it from the scrap. I bought the bus and I started the restoration on it, and it is now the Wild Atlantic bus. As I know some of you already know this, you're following me on Instagram and I'm very grateful for your support. I've now started this YouTube channel, well, 2 YouTube channels, Wild Atlantic Bus and Wild Atlantic Bus Adventures, and that's another section because I had a lot of people that came to stay asking me about the area, asking me about the West Coast, and I thought in that, what I do is I go out as though I was visiting the bus and to see what this wonderful area has to offer. So I'm also doing that. But this particular concept and this particular video that I'm putting up here at the moment is to do with the restoration of the bus. So guys, I thought you'd be interested in it. I want to share it with you. As I said, I have a lot of photographs and I will talk through each individual photograph as they come up on the screen. I have some video footage and I will share that with you as well. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. Any questions, please do put them down below there and I'll certainly try to get back to you. In the meantime, sit back, relax and enjoy what this Egypt did with a double-decker bus. Anyway, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you again soon. Mind yourselves, mind one another. Bye for now.